Are you looking for an easier way to trade the Bitcoin?
Do you know that you can trade the Bitcoin with robots?
We welcome you to our Bitcoin algorithmic trading course, which will give you 99 different Bitcoin robots to trade with.
We have decided to create this course because the Bitcoin is a very volatile asset and it is hard for the beginner traders to trade it manually.
With this course, you will receive ready 99 robots and you will learn how precisely to trade with them.
I will show you how I create hundreds of strategies, how I test their robustness for less than 1 hour, and how I automate them as robots without programming needed.
In this course, you will find resource files, quiz and assignment that will give you a better experience while learning.
I will teach you how to place the robots over the MetaTrader platform and how to make them trade on your behalf. Also, I will show you how to connect your trading account with a statistical website where you can follow the performance of each expert advisor effortless.
This way, you can choose only the top robots that show the best results for you.
We back our courses with a 30-day money-back guarantee because we are sure that you will enjoy it. Enroll today and bring your trading to the next level.
And did we say we update the course with new 99 robots every month?